We also have biometric second factor authentication. And what this simply does is it compares a selfie of the user today against the selfie when the user was originally onboarded. So what we're going to do is select authentication. And what we're going to do is take another selfie. Again, we'll upload this to the cloud, and within 2 to 5 seconds, we'll be able to get a response. And what we do with second factor biometric authentication is we compare a selfie of the user where we conduct the proof of liveness and spoof detection against the image on file, which was recorded when the user was initially onboarded. And as you can see on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side is the incoming selfie which we took just now, which is compared against the initial selfie when I registered myself on this particular app. And again, we map out the landmarks on the registered selfie, as you can see here, or the 60 different data points using geometric computing, and then map out the exact same landmarks on the incoming selfie and compare the two to come up with a confidence score, which in this case, as you can see here, is 99%. And this user has been successfully authenticated. Thereafter, the user could transact. Thank you for following the Smile Identity demo. In case of any questions, please reach out to sales@smileidentity.com, and we'd be more than happy to walk you through our technology, our API docs, and get you onboarded as soon as possible to empower your KYC across Africa and beyond.